This ongoing progress for the Unicorn Estate in Mabushi. It's an eight numbers of 6-bedroom duplexes on 2 suspended floors. So it's to just build for people and then sell it off. I think I got a few comments about why we use this method of excavation for our pad bases, because typically what people are used to is they see the trenches, so they come, they put a profile and then they dig trenches. But I mean, there are different types of construction method and techniques. This happens to be one of them. So basically what happens is the surveyor comes, and then if you can see inside the pad footing right there, there's a mark with a caution tape there. The surveyor comes and then he gives us the points of all the columns, and based on those points we then sort of excavate the size of the pad footing. So basically the advantage of this is that it's more precise than using the profile, because for the profile, you lay the profile, you use your line, and then you dig your trenches, and then as they are digging the excavation and pouring it out, sort of moves the profile up and down, and your alignment sort of misaligns a little bit. But for this method, we just come and then we just mark the point, we dig the pad base, they put the column, and then they dig the trenches. So it eliminates any sort of misalignment of columns, and there will be no cranking of columns really. But this is the update currently. I think so for 3 of the buildings we just did the blinding. So they want to start, they are doing there, they want to start the concrete mix for the blinding for the other ones. Once you are done with the blinding, then we can lay the. So that's the update for today.